it's time to improve your macro shots without breaking the bank. Mobile photography specialist SANDMARC has announced the Microscope Lens Edition for the iPhone, an optical add-on that offers 40 times magnification to smartphone shooters. In short, the lens effortlessly shifts from macro to micro, allowing users to explore subjects in exquisite detail with the added bonus of a 3 times magnification option. There's more, it even has a built-in light with 2 brightness levels because macro photography usually grapples with the challenge of adequate lighting for finer detail. See the difference? The shots are sharp and bright even at the remarkable 40 times magnification. It's worth mentioning that the lens is compatible with a range of recent iPhone models, starting from the iPhone 12 and up. I like SANDMARC's attention to detail because these guys have foreseen possible issues with installing the lens, so you can get a special case for the iPhone. If you're okay without it, there's a clip mount for the rest. Although not excessively thick at half an inch, users might find it a snug fit in typical pants pockets when connected. However, its compact size ensures easy storage when not in use, promising convenience alongside its powerful capabilities. The lens is available on the official page for $125. It may seem pricey when compared to competitors from Amazon, but after you run through reviews, you'll understand the price is reasonable. This macro lens also has a built-in light, which, as customers claim, may break after some time of use. The other similar macro lens doesn't have a built-in light, and it's difficult to snap onto the phone's cameras, yet its bigger issue is distortion. The last thing I want in this life is to find out my bare ass pics fly all around the web. There's a way to control spreading that kind of content. Just detect all the hidden cams in your room, Airbnb, apartment, public restroom, or any other public place. Created by renowned Chinese accessory maker Baseus, this pocket-sized gadget claims to effectively detect hidden cameras within a 16-foot detection radius. Equipped with a colored lens and 4 LED light beads, it can identify various camera types, even in inconspicuous locations like shower heads and power sockets. Well, that's what manufacturers say. I didn't have a chance to find all that spy stuff. With an impressive 720-hour battery life on a single charge, it ensures long-lasting security throughout your trip. This device provides a cost-effective means of enhancing privacy. To sum all that up, it's a must-have gadget to keep your privacy safe. Customers leave positive feedback. Some of them tested the device, which makes the review trustworthy. Consider this device your big bro, carefully observing what happens in your backyard. The SwitchBot Outdoor Spotlight Cam aids in detecting movement and promptly notifying you. The cam, approximately the size of a baseball, records the environment in 1080p resolution with a 100-degree field of view, and the lights automatically activate when motion is detected. Well, it's not bad, but it's not superb either. There are numerous competitors with a wider field of view and a better resolution, such as Eufy, Wise, and others. However, I like the option to acquire an additional 600 mAh solar panel that keeps the 10,000 mAh battery charged for up to 90 days in standby mode, assuming there's sufficient sunlight in your area. Setting up the SwitchBot Outdoor Cam is a matter of a few minutes thanks to the intuitive SwitchBot app. The app covers everything from Wi-Fi setup to camera positioning with clarity, and of course includes motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision with infrared LEDs. It's good, but still nothing special. SwitchBot app settings allow customization from sensitivity to privacy mode, ensuring flexibility for varied preferences. Video and image quality are commendable even in low light. SwitchBot's customer service deserves applause for prompt responses and firmware updates. All in all, the SwitchBot Outdoor Spotlight Cam and solar panel not be the best option for the money, especially when considering some negative reviews about connectivity issues. However, it's still worth considering if you want to keep an eye on what's happening outside.